Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how shoes are manufactured, from raw materials
Check the specifications here. This tolerance level is off.
Yeah, the reading confirms it. We need to reject this batch.
Every piece is cut with extreme precision to ensure perfect fit and minimal waste.
We need to adjust the midsole thickness here.
Yes, increasing it by 2 mm should improve stability.
Here, craftsmanship meets modern automation. We never compromise on quality at any stage. Heat and pressure ensure durability and long-lasting performance.
And that's how shoes are manufactured, from raw materials to the footwear you wear every day. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.